Hard work and sacrifices will pay off if you're in the right opportunity. Yung kailangan mong trabahuhin ng 10 taon, kaya pala sa mas maiksing panahon. This is just the start. Psalms 23 verse 6 says, "Surely, goodness and blessings will follow me all the days of my life." All in favor of the Lord. Kaya sobrang thankful ako sa company for being an instrument to help people live the life they want. Again, simula pa lang ito at marami pang susunod. I am Dre Pertiera, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.